Did you know it only takes 1 tablespoon of popcorn kernels to make a cup and a half of delicious popcorn, and you can make it without a microwave for just 4 cents? Once you see how easy this popcorn is, you'll never waste your money on microwave popcorn again. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org, your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. I am a self-proclaimed popcorn addict. No popcorn is safe near me. And then I learned about all the toxic liners in the microwave popcorn bags, and I had to find an alternative. But now I did, and I can make it for a tenth of the cost without all the carcinogens. Watch and learn. So for a single portion, we're gonna take about a half a tablespoon of avocado oil and line the bottom of a pan. You can measure if you want. And then we're gonna start our stove on medium-low. So as that's heating up, we're gonna rotate the oil around the pot to make sure the bottom is fully coated. Just a smidge more. Now, once your oil is heated, we're gonna add just 1 tablespoon of popcorn kernels straight to the oil in the pot. Just like so. The deeper the pot, the better. It needs room to pop. We're gonna put the lid back on and let it heat up. Shake the pot around a little bit to make sure all your kernels get fully coated in the oil. The oil should be sizzling, but keep your lid on. So we're gonna let it heat up here for about 60 seconds. Okay, I don't know if you heard that, but once you hear it start to pop, we're gonna turn the heat on low to simmer. And we're gonna start shaking the pot. You'll hear it popping as you shake. Can you hear it? We'll shake the pot for about 60 seconds to make sure all the popcorn gets evenly cooked. After about a minute, your popcorn should be all popped. Turn the heat off completely. Give it a good shake. Check on your popcorn, and it should be beautifully popped. Watch out. We're just gonna pour it into this measuring cup. It might run away. So now we've got a cup and a half of delicious popcorn. Now we can just pour it in a bowl, add some salt, or whatever seasonings you like, and enjoy your delicious 4-cent snack. Gosh, I love popcorn so much. Can't beat 4 cents. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried popcorn on the stovetop and how it worked out. It's a perfect time to try it now when the power is on. So if the power does go out, you'll have a fun family snack for everyone to enjoy. Follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. It takes 1 tablespoon of and wow, that's dirty.